Alright, welcome back. This is kind of a follow-up to the last one. So in the last video, I removed the decals. Um, Again, the paint app, sorry. So now I want to put these together because now I want to add, I want to add the knee pads to them. So they're actually labeled left or right. So just find the one that goes to that leg and then put it on there. So this would be for left. This would be for right. All right. Now, I'm apologizing in advance for the noise that you're about to hear because I do have to turn on the blow dryer in order to get these on there. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to warm this part up here, and then we're going to be able to get this onto here. Now, for that, we are going to use, we're going to use the needle nose pliers to be able to get it in. That way then they'll clamp up and close easily. Okay, just to let you guys know, I'm working on a NXT Takeover Philly Andrade, because once I got this battle pack and I saw the mask, I said, yeah, I kind of have to make that until I find the elite. Another elite, I should say. I have the original, but I'm not going to mess with that one. If I find a second one, I'll probably do the same thing to the mask on the other one. But for now, we're going to use this one since it's removable. It's pretty dope. It's already white, so the only thing I need to do is change the gold around and paint that up. But anyway, so that's what we're going to work on. So again, I apologize for the noise, but it's got to be done. Matter of fact, yeah, just hang on. I didn't secure the pegs, so of course they start flying around everywhere. Linte, you still hurting, bro? Here's the other one. So let's get those over there. Nice and safe. Okay, let's try this again. So just applying the heat directly to the part that you want to soften up. That's all we're doing. And you see what I'm doing, so I'm just going to pause it here. All right, so we're back. We got this soft enough. As you can see, you can just virtually squeeze it on there. So what you then start doing is you'll grab one of the pegs, you put it in there. See how easy it slides in? Grab the next one, you grab this. So you grab the knee, and it's in there, right? You can even, actually look how easy it is. You can even pop it through all the way. That's how soft they got it, that you technically don't even need to use the needle nose pliers, but let's use it anyway, so we can make sure it's in all the way. See? And it's in there. Oh, wait, hang on. There we go. Now it's in all the way. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Get it right there. So now it's just there pending. Put the knee. And then with the needle nose, you're just gonna finish that up. I can never get a good grip. There we go. Oops. All right, sometimes these are a little tricky. The only reason why I say this is because the knee part sometimes has like a little, it's hard to see, but it has like a little lip there. So sometimes you can try to look through which one has the little lip and put the peg in through that way. Hang on, I'm gonna warm this back up again. All right, I'm gonna heat it back up. All right, so I warmed it up enough again so we can put this in here. All right. So it's in. Put this in through there. Now it's there, so we're just gonna pop this into place. Come on. So now it's in on both sides. See? So there you have it. And that's simple. So I'll make another video probably now. Then I'll post it separately. That way you're not just looking at a long continuous video. I made this one before, so now I want it with the white attire again. And he had the Mexican flag colors, which would be the green, red, and white on his knee pad. So I'm just basically going to end up adding the design onto there. But thanks for watching.